This is a demo of how to put sleeve stitches onto waste yarn. So I'm knitting up to the raglan and where my stitch marker is, and I'm going to remove the stitch marker, and then all you need to do is, using a high contrast yarn, thread that onto a tapestry needle and then pass that thread through the live stitches and off the knitting needle. I find that the waste yarn is better than an actual cable or a metal stitch holder, just because it keeps the stitches nice and soft, and also being a high contrast colour like this green yarn that I'm using, it's really easy to pick up the stitches later on when you come back to do your sleeves. So it's a simple technique, easy to do, because who hasn't got waste yarn, and handy at any time for any stitch holding.